Hello everyone, welcome to the CC Nita YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain problem C perfect square of code forces round 309 division 3. The question is like Christine has a matrix of size n by n filled with lowercase Latin letters. The value of n is even. She wants to change some characters so that her matrix become a perfect square. So the question is like you will be given a n by n matrix where n is an even and you want to make that matrix into a perfect square. The definition of a perfect square is given. It is like a matrix is called a perfect square if it remains unchanged when rotated by 90-degree clockwise once. So the example of rotation of matrix by 90 degrees given E, B, C, D, and it will be like C, A, D, B. It will just rotate in clockwise direction. So in this question, we will be given a matrix and we will have to change it into a perfect square. So now we will see how a perfect square matrix look like. For example, if we assume n is equal to 6, the matrix will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. This is 6 by 6 matrix. If for this matrix to be a perfect square, it will be like this. Just yeah, in this 4, the first element, this first element should be equal to this first element, and this first element should be equal to this first element. It will be like the first element will be equal to this first, and same for the second element. This should be equal to this, and this. Same like every ith element will be equal in all 4 squares. Same goes with the inners also. We will take like this. It will like this, then this, then this, then this. The first element should be equal to this one, and this one, and this one. All 4 should be equal. Why it is equal? Because if we are having a matrix, suppose this element is here. If we will rotate this element by 90 degree, this will be somewhere here. So it will just change. For this matrix to be unchanged, the value here should be equal to here, this value. For example, if it is A, it should be also A. Same goes here, and same like there should be some value. If this value is A, this value will also be A. So this also should be A. So it will be like all 4 elements should have same value. So it is like this. So now we will try to understand it using a given test case. Assume we are taking test case first. A B B A A B B A B C B B B C C B A B B A. This in this 4 the first element should be equal. For example, if we will take this one, it should be equal to this one, it should be equal to this and this. It is equal. Now we will take second element, B B B B. It is also equal. Third, B B B and B. The third element is not equal. It is like B B A B. So we will, for it to make for this to be equal, we will choose the max character among all four. Max character among all four, and we will change every other character to that. In this case, max character is B. We will change all other. For example, in this case it is only A to B, and the number of step required is B minus A, I mean 1. For the inner square, it is like this should be equal to this, should be equal to this, should be equal to this. It is like C B C C. It is also not equal, so the max character here is C, and the other character which we have to change is we have to change B into C, and the required steps is C minus B is equal to 1. So we have seen this on test case 1. Now we will see the code of the question. It is like first we will input test cases, then size n, then we will take we will create a n by n matrix 2D array, and we will take every character in it. Now what we will do, if it is like this, we will run a for loop from 0 to n by 2, from here to here, and what we will do, will be in every case we will make 4 vectors, v1, v2, v3, v4, and in this 4 vector, for example, we are running for I is equal to 0, it will be for the outer loop, and the last will be for last loop. For outer loop, the vector will be like this. This is v1, this is v2, this is v3, and this is v4. We will put all the values of this into v1, this into v3, this into v2, and this into v4. And we are running a for loop for putting the values into v1, v2, v3, and v4. Now we will run a final for loop of from 0 to v dot size, array size of the array. ठीक. In this for loop we are just, for example, this is the first element, this second, this is fourth, this is 5. v1 j is first, second, third, fourth. We are taking the max character from it. For if it is like a b c a, we are taking the max character. In this case it is c, and now we are we are calculating the distance between C to all other, C minus A, C minus B, C minus C, C minus A, 1 2 0 1 4. So S is 4 here. We are storing this S in this, yes. So this whole for loop is for outer circle, and for I is equal to 2 it is for inner circle, and again it will continue to